Alright, so welcome to lesson 2 of working through the distributive property of multiplication. So we've already watched lesson 1, we've already went through some vocabulary, and we've already went through some examples on doing a one-digit number times a one-digit number and also a two-digit number by a one-digit number. So this lesson is just going to focus in on a three-digit by one-digit multiplication problem and still giving you multiple strategies that you can use in which to try to multiply numbers. So let's go ahead and look at this example. So let's say that we have 7 times 361. Well, the number that we're going to distribute across is going to be the number 361. So the one thing we need to do is just kind of get some place value labeled right here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put 361 into expanded form. Well, this is 300 plus 60 plus 1. Well, now we've taken that number, we've broken it down. You see I draw my arrow here. Well, I can still bring down my multiplication sign and my 7. Well, this number is 361, and I'm still going to multiply times 7, except I'm just going to make the problem a whole lot easier. So let me kind of rewrite this where I have some space here. So 7 times, parentheses, 300 plus 60 plus 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that 7, and I'm going to show y'all two ways in which you can do this. You can do it by drawing your arrows like this, 7 times 300, 7 times 60, and then 7 times 1. Well, 7 times 300 is 21. It's 2,100. 7 times 60 is 420. And then 7 times 1 is 7. Remember that these are all of your partial products. Then you're going to take your partial products and add them up. 2,100, 420, and then 7. So 7, 2, 5. So 2,527 is our final product. Let me make sure I box that. Now another way to do this same exact problem is in 7 times 300 plus 60 plus 1. If you want this to look a little bit neater and not draw all of these arrows pointing around, well, you know 7 times 300 parentheses plus 7 times 60 in parentheses plus 7 times 1. Well, we work out everything that we have in our parentheses. 7 times 300 is 2,100 plus 7 times 60 is 420 plus 7 times 1 is 7. All of these are still the same. We still got the same partial products, just a little bit neater. And if we add up everything together, we still get the same product of 2,527. And then here is a practice problem for you to try. And that is the end of our lesson on the distributive property for a three-digit by one-digit multiplication problem.